Welcome to Science Store online classes.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.
Welcome back students for biology online classes. The chapter what we are discussing is about organism and population under CET NEET. In the second worksheet, take out the worksheet. In the second worksheet we have completed up to question 23. Next move to question 24. Warm-blooded animals like mammals from colder climates generally have shorter ear and limbs. This is an example explanation of given by whom. Here we have stopped in the previous class, if you remember. So warm-blooded animals like mammals from the colder regions or colder climates generally have shorter ear and limbs. This is examples of yes, Allen's rule. Many times it came, very important question. We already explained what is Jordan's rule, Wrench's rule and Bergman's rule. Let's move to question number 25. Natural selection operates at 1. Organism level, B. Population level, C. Community level, D. Ecosystem level. See page number 227 of your NCERT textbook. Population means the natural selection means always operates at population level, not at the organism level. Okay? So population means which has got certain attributes that an individual organism does not have. So although an individual organism is one that has to cope up with the changing environmental conditions, it is at the population level the natural selection operates to evolve the desired traits. So population ecology is therefore an important area of ecology because it links the ecology to the population genetics and evolution. Next, find out the odd one with respect to population. 1. Natality, death rate, age pyramid, births. Yes, answer is birth. Natality, death rate, pyramid of age, they are all related to the survival. Okay, natality, birth rate, death rate, age pyramid are related to the survival. But the odd one here is the birth, which is not related to the survival. Age pyramid, there are different age groups individuals are there. The individuals are present at the pre-reproductive age, the individuals which are present at the reproductive age, and the very old individuals. They are all related to what? Contribution for survival. Death rate, natality, mortality, everything. Next, move to the next question. Question number 27. Which of the following contributes an increase in population density? Population density ಅನ್ನು increase ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕಾಂಟ್ರಿಬ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತದೆ? 1. mortality, no. Emigration, no. Predation, no. Natality, that is the birth rate, already discussed. Next, question number 28. Which of the following is considered as more realistic growth model? Which is more realistic growth model? 1. exponential growth, 2. arithmetic growth, geometric growth, or logistic growth. Now, you know what is logistic growth. More realistic growth is the logistic growth, where you will get the sigmoid curve. Initially, the growth rate is very slow, okay, because it has to adjust with the surrounding environmental conditions and the availability of the food source. Then slowly, that is the lag phase, then it goes to increase, that is the log phase. Then comes the growth rate will increase enormously, exponentially, so exponential phase. Then it will stop at a particular point, that is called as asymptote. lag phase, log phase, exponential phase, then comes the stable phase, that is asymptote phase. This you can see in case of the logistic growth curve, which is logistic because in a given area, for the given population, the resources are limited. Okay, so when the resources are over, then the population which was growing very fine initially at alarming rate, that starts to increase, and when it comes to the carrying capacity, it becomes constant. So this model is also called as Whole-Pearl logistic growth curve, which is you get the sigmoid curve. Then exponential growth. Exponential growth means the population is growing at alarmingly rate, and you will get a J-shaped curve when the sources are unlimited, which is not practically possible. Theoretically it is possible, J-shaped curve, get the exponential growth curve. So sources are unlimited. What sources are unlimited? No. Sources are only limited. So that is also not correct answer. Then arithmetic growth and geometric growth we have studied in case of plant growth, arithmetic growth and geometric growth, that I will explain in the plant growth and development or in the next session. So students, the right answer for question number 28, which of the following is considered as more realistic growth model, that is the logistic growth model. Next, move to question number 29. In nature, a given habitat has enough resources to support a maximum possible number beyond which no further growth is possible. This characteristic feature of nature is known as carrying capacity, already discussed. So homeostasis means steady state internal environment, steady internal environmental state, steady internal state like temperature. Then what is the amount of water in our body? That is 75% of the body is made up of water. So 37 degrees Celsius, correct? In spite of changing environmental conditions, our body temperature should be 37 degrees Celsius. The percentage amount of water which is present in our body should not exceed 75% or should not be less. So all these are maintained, that is homeostasis. Then question number 30. Predators play important role in conduction of energy across the trophic level, maintenance of species diversity, control of prey population, as well as more than one option is correct. So the right option is the option 4. All these contribute by the predators. Next, question number 31. Resource partitioning is an important mechanism which promotes what? Resource partitioning promotes coexistence. Already we have studied. So resource partitioning is an important mechanism which promotes coexistence, that is the resource sharing by different time. For example, different foraging patterns we have seen, 5 different species of warblers living in a tree we have studied. Next, question number 32. A loss of unnecessary sex organs means presence of adhesive organs, presence of suckers, then the presence of high reproductive capacity, presence of suckers, all this, that is option A, B, C and D are correct. Number 33, select the incorrect match with respect to the interspecific interaction. So the right option is for answer 3, species A plus and species B plus, and that is the incorrect option. Plus ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಇಂಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಸೀಸ್, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಆಸ್ ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್, ನಾಟ್ ಕಮೆನ್ಸಾಲಿಸಮ್. ಕಮೆನ್ಸಾಲಿಸಮ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ, ಒಂದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ಝೀರೋ, ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಬೆನಿಫಿಟೆಡ್, either the another one is either get benefited nor harmed. So that is called as the commensalism, plus ಮತ್ತೆ ಝೀರೋ ರಿಲೇಷನ್ಶಿಪ್. ಸೊ ಪ್ಯಾರಾಸೈಟಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಮೈನಸ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್, ಪ್ರಿಡೇಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ. ಮ್ಯೂಚುವಲಿಸಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಎನಿವೆ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್, commensalism ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗಬೇಕು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಝೀರೋ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 34. Camouflage is an important mechanism where What is camouflage? Predators are never cryptically colored for easy capturing of their prey, or prey species are cryptically colored. Camouflage is an important mechanism where prey species are cryptically colored. Cryptically means hidden, having hidden color to avoid being detected easily by the predators. So here camouflage is an important mechanism where prey species are cryptically colored to avoid being easily detected by the predator. So that is the right option. Okay. Predators are never cryptically colored ante. No, predators are cryptically colored. Even predators are cryptically colored. So 1, 3 and 4 will not support the option, the statement. The 2 is the supportive answer for the statement. Prey produce nodi, third option nodi, prey produces some poisonous chemicals in their surrounding to protect themselves from the predators. Some poisonous chemicals, no, in their surrounding. That is not the camouflage. Predators evolved some physiological adaptations to reach to the prey present in some harsh habitats. So that is not the important mechanism. Prey species are cryptically colored to avoid being detected easily by the predator. That is the right option, option 2 for question number 34. Next, question number 35. A J-shaped growth curve depicts what? One, exponential growth when conditions are limited, or exponential growth when conditions are unlimited. That is the right option. Exponential growth when the conditions are unlimited. 3, logistic growth when conditions are limited. 4, logistic growth when conditions are unlimited. Those are also not the right options. The right option, the right answer is the a J-shaped growth curve depicts exponential growth when conditions are unlimited. So with this we have completed the worksheet number 2 also for the organisms and populations. So students, write down my lecture notes. Note down the important points of the lecture notes and also take down whatever the points I have written on the board, and thank you students for watching the video.
Don't forget to like our video and subscribe our YouTube channel for all the updates.